Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. This is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel. Today I am going to explain subordinating conjunction, a part of a conjunction. Watch till the end of the video to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Before going to subordinating conjunction, at first I want to remind what is conjunction. Conjunction is a part of a speech. Conjunction is used to join a word with a word, a phrase with a phrase, a clause with a clause, a sentence with a sentence. Subordinating conjunction is a part of a conjunction. Subordinating conjunction is a word which is used to join two statements of unequal rank or order. Subordinating conjunction introduces the subordinating clause, that is one dependent clause open the independent clause for its complete meaning. These are the words is the representation of a subordinating conjunctions. The words are that, if, whether, who, which, when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while, as, though, although, etc. and so many more words are there used as subordinating conjunctions to connect clauses. Subordinating conjunctions may be classified according to their meaning. Subordinating conjunctions introducing noun clause, subordinating conjunctions introducing adjective clause or relative clause, subordinating conjunctions introducing adverb clause. That is one noun clause when a subordinating clause acts as one noun. Let's see subordinating conjunctions introducing noun clause. Our class teacher said that the school will remain closed to tomorrow. Our class teacher is one clause, that is independent clause. That the school will remain closed to tomorrow, that is a dependent clause. Okay? That is the subordinating conjunction introducing the dependent clause, introducing the subordinating clause. Okay? The school will remain closed tomorrow functions as a noun because it is one statement. The school will remain closed tomorrow is one statement. So, it functions as a noun. So, this subordinating clause is one noun clause. I mean the subordinating conjunction that introducing noun clause. He is demanding that he should be promoted with 2 additional increments. The same thing, he is demanding independent clause that introduces the subordinating clause that he should be promoted with 2 additional increments, and the sentence he should be promoted with 2 additional increments is one statement. This functions as a noun. So, the subordinating conjunction introducing noun clause. When a clause functions as a noun, that is one noun clause. Tom can invite whoever he chooses. The same thing, whoever is the subordinating conjunction introducing the clause he chooses. He chooses one statement and that functions as a noun. So, it is one noun clause. Subordinating conjunction whoever introducing noun clause. Whether Subrat accepts the job or not is his business. Subrat accepts the job or not. This is one statement, functions as a noun. So, whether is the subordinating conjunction introducing noun clause. When a subordinating conjunction introducing a clause, that clause describes a noun, that is one adjective clause or relative clause. We know that when a word describes a noun, when a word describes a naming word, that is one adjective. The same thing, when a clause describes a noun, that is one adjective clause. Let's see a subordinating conjunction introducing adjective clause or relative clause. A dentist is a person who treats tooth problems. Okay? Who is the conjunction and introducing the clause who treats tooth problems. Okay? And who treats tooth problems describes whom? Describes a person. A person is a noun. When a word describes a noun, that is one adjective. The same thing, when a clause This is the clause who treats tooth problems, describes a noun, a person. So this clause is an adjective clause or relative clause, and the conjunction is called subordinating conjunction introducing adjective clause. A bullock cart is a vehicle that is mostly used by the farmers. The same thing here, that is mostly used by the farmers, is the clause introduced by the word that, subordinating conjunction, and the clause describes a noun or vehicle. So this clause is adjective clause or relative clause, and the conjunction is subordinating conjunction introducing adjective clause. A computer is a machine which is used for storing or processing large amount of information, which subordinating conjunction introduces the clause which is used for storing or processing large amount of information, and the clause says about a machine, a noun. So it is one, the clause is an adjective clause or relative clause and introduced by subordinating conjunction which. He is the man whose children are well educated. Here whose subordinating conjunction introducing the clause when children are well educated, and this clause describes the man or noun. So this clause is adjective clause or relative clause introduced by the subordinating conjunction which. He is the boy who has lost his purse during his journey. Who has lost his purse during the journey describes what? The boy. Okay, or noun. So this clause is adjective clause or relative clause introduced by subordinating conjunction. I have known the place where I passed 3 days. Where I passed 3 days is the clause describes the noun, the place. So this is one adjective clause or relative clause, and the conjunction is subordinating conjunction introducing adjective clause. When a subordinating conjunction introducing a clause and that clause functions as an adverb, that is one adverb clause. We know that when a word modifies a verb, modifies an adjective or modifies an adverb, that is one adverb. The same thing when a clause modifies a verb, modifies an adjective or modifies an adverb, that is one adverb clause. Let us see a subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause. Leave it as it is. How you leave it? As it is. So when we ask question with WH word, how, we get the answer, that is one adverb of manner. So the same when you ask question to the verb with WH word how, we get the answer, we get the clause, that is one adverb, that is one adverb clause of manner. So as it is, leave it as it is. As is the subordinating conjunction introducing the clause, that is one adverb clause of manner. She behaved as if she is hungry. How did she behave? As if she is hungry. The same thing as if the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of manner. It was raining when you arrived. When was it raining? When you arrived. So the verb answers the question when. So it is one. When we arrived is the clause, that is the adverb clause of time. When is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of time. My father asked me to wait till he returned. How long did my father ask me to wait? Till he returned. So till is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of time. When you ask question to the verb with how long, what answer comes? That clause is adverb clause of time. So till is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of time. Also when you ask question to the verb with how often, what answer comes? That is also adverb clause of time. He is allowed to enter as he is invited by us. Why is he allowed to enter? As he is invited by us. This is the reason. This is the cause. So as is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of reason. I can buy this car since I have lots of money. Why can I buy this car? Since I have lots of money, this is the reason. So, since is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of reason. The farmers bowed to God in gratitude because the harvest had been splendid. Why did the farmers bow to God in gratitude? The reason is because the harvest had been splendid. So, because is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of reason. The coffee is so hot that I cannot drink. Okay. Here subordinating conjunction so that. It is used separately. So is used at the independent clause and that is used at the beginning of the subordinating clause. Okay. The coffee is so hot. It is the situation. And what is the result? That I cannot drink. So that is the subordinating conjunction introducing the clause, that is the adverb clause of consequence or a result, because this is the situation and that I cannot drink is the result or consequence. So this is the clause is the adverb clause of consequence, adverb clause of result. He spoke in such a loud voice that everyone could hear him well. The same thing as so that, such is used at the independent clause and that is used at the beginning of the subordinating clause. Okay. And he spoke in such a loud voice is the situation and what is the result? That everyone could hear him well. So, this clause is adverb clause of consequence and that is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of consequence or result. He is working hard in order that he can succeed. He is working hard. Okay, what is the purpose of working hard? In order that he can succeed. Okay, in order that is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of purpose. We eat that we may live. What is the purpose of eating? That we may live. So that is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of purpose. I would not like to live where human dignity is compromised. Where would I not like to live? Where human dignity is compromised. So where is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of place. When you ask question with where to the verb, ask question to the verb with where, what answer comes? What clause what answer comes? That is one adverb. That is one adverb of place. Or what clause comes? That is one adverb clause of place. Her amiable nature won her friends wherever she went. Okay, where her amiable nature won her friends wherever she went. So wherever is the subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause of place. That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.